Guys, shalom, shalom, welcome to this amazing and wonderful city. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas from here, the old city of Joppa. Wow, amazing place. Amazing place, guys. This is really incredibly beautiful. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Enjoy the beauty here in the Holy Land, guys. Enjoy that here in the old city of Joppa. I love you. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful place. Wonderful place. This is a lovely place. It's an amazing place, guys. It's an amazing place. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, and God bless you all. So this amazing beauty. Look at the beauty of this lovely city, the city of Joppa.